The Reserve Bank of India has officially released the RBI SO notification 2025. There are a total of 28 vacancies for grade A and grade B specialist officer posts. The notification was released on 11th of July 2025 and the last date to apply is 31st of July 2025 up to 6 p.m. The online exam is scheduled for 16th of August 2025. Here is the full list of specialist officer posts and how many seats are available. Legal officer in grade B 5 vacancies. Manager technical civil in grade B 6 vacancies. Manager technical electrical in grade B 4 vacancies. Assistant manager Rajbasa in grade A 3 vacancies. Assistant manager protocol and security in grade A 10 vacancies. Candidates are required to apply online only through the bank's website www.rbi.org.in. Detailed instructions for filling out the online application form are available in Appendix 1. Candidate must upload a photograph, signature, left thumb, impression, and a handwritten declaration during the application process. The online registration and fee payment for RBI Grade A and B SO Recruitment 2025 has begun on 11th of July 2025 and will continue till 31st of July 2025 till 6 p.m. The online written examination is scheduled to be held on 6th August 2025. Let's talk about the eligibility criteria. A candidate must be a citizen of India or subject of Nepal, Bhutan, or Tibet refugee who come India to before 1st of Jan 1962, or a person of Indian origin who migrated from the list of select countries. Generally, candidates must have attained the age of 21 to 30 years. However, for assistant manager, protocol, and security in grade A, the age limit is 25 to 40 years. Age relaxations are available for various categories given below. Specific education qualifications and experience requirements vary for each post. The candidates are advised to refer to the detailed notification for complete information. The application fee vary based on candidate's category. For General OBC EWS rupees 600 plus 18% GST. For SC ST and PWBD candidates rupee 100 plus 18% GST. For RBI staff there will be no charge. Let's talk about most important part, salary. Grade A officers a starting basic pay of 62,500 per month will be given. They will also be eligible for DNS allowance, local compensatory allowance, house rent allowance, special allowance, grade allowance, learning allowance, special allowance, and gratuity. Initial monthly gross emoluments are approximately 1,22,000. House rent allowance will be paid additionally if officers are not staying in bank's accommodation. For grade B officers, a starting basic pay of 78,450 per month will be given. They will also be eligible for DNS allowance, local compensatory allowance, house rent allowance, special allowance, grade allowance, learning allowance, and gratuity. The initial monthly gross emoluments are approximately 1,49,000. House rent allowance will be paid additionally if officers are not staying in bank's accommodation. The selection process typically involves phase 1, phase 2, and an interview. Phase 1 and phase 2 generally consist of online and descriptive examinations, respectively, followed by an interview. The number of candidates selected for interview is determined by the board based on their performance in examination, paper 1 and paper 2, and the interview. For more details, please refer to the notification PDF. Specific education qualifications and experience requirements vary for each post, and candidates are advised to refer to the detailed notification for complete information. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such job updates. Thanks for watching.